The Starlink Ethernet Adapter Gen 3 Mini ensures seamless compatibility with Starlink Gen 3 and Mini Dishy systems, making it an excellent choice for users looking for a straightforward network connection. This adapter is designed to withstand outdoor conditions, featuring a robust waterproof design that protects against moisture and dirt, making it ideal for use in harsh environments like RVs and boats. With high-speed connectivity capabilities, the adapter supports data transmission speeds of up to 2,000 megabits per second, delivering stable performance for streaming, gaming, and remote work. Installation is easy and efficient, allowing network extension with cables up to 175 feet without losing signal quality, which is perfect for both indoor and outdoor setups. The adapter is particularly beneficial for RV enthusiasts and remote workers who require a reliable internet connection, ensuring consistent performance during travel or remote operations. The use of high-quality materials like 24 AWG pure copper wiring and full metal shielding minimizes signal interference, offering a robust and dependable network solution.